Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. First, to quickly show you the problem, I easily remove the side covers of the device using the plastic clips. Together we will find a solution to the paper jammed or no cartridge is inserted error. We check the toner chip corresponding to the reader. There doesn't seem to be any problem, no contact issue. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. You can write your problems about all other devices you want to get information from in the comments. Our expert staff is waiting for you to answer your questions. Since the working principle of all brand and model devices is the same, our expert staff is waiting to answer any questions you may have regarding installation and repair. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. I am waiting for all your questions in the next repair process. I will answer you quickly and offer you the most suitable repair cost. Checking the paper path and toner cartridge revealed no paper jams. We see that this sensor moves when we remove and reinsert the toner. This means that this sensor controls the paper and toner. There is no jamming currently, but it must be sticking more tightly when the paper comes out. Yes, in the test we're currently conducting, we're seeing that the sensor gets stuck when we tighten it a little too much. Now we'll see how to solve that. We lubricate the points where the sensor connects to the printer, especially with aerosol contact cleaner spray. As you can see, the repair and maintenance of our printer was successful. We have put our clean papers in our tray so that you can see how we print out once again. Now the test printing process is starting. We will see it together again, friends. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.